Okay, the next case is Justin Jones. Mr. Jones, are you present or is your attorney present? It appears that Mr. Jones is not present and no attorney is present for Mr. Jones. Just this, the sustained allegation against Justin Jones is driving under the influence. The range is 3 months to 2.5 years. The baseline is 1 year, and Post is recommending 18 months. Justin Jones has been a University of Utah police officer for 4 years, or had been a University of Utah police officer for 4 years. He resigned. One of the aggravators in this case was previous Post discipline. Why don't you explain that?
I just wanted to clarify, he had not been employed by the University of Utah for the full 4 years. He had experience from a previous agency until he was investigated by Post previously and sanctioned. When he came back from suspension, that's when he was employed by the University of Utah. What's that?
Was it investigated for the same type of incident?
It was.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so he is no longer employed. So the aggravator is previous Post discipline, as you just heard. Alcohol was a primary factor in this case. There are no mitigators. On or about July 28, 2019, Justin Jones was investigated by a local police agency for driving under the influence of alcohol. The investigating officer determined Jones was impaired, arrested him for DUI. Jones submitted to a chemical breath test, which measured his blood alcohol content at 0.089. A subsequent sample was obtained to verify the Baker time frame and ensure there was nothing in his mouth which could invalidate the test, and the subsequent sample measured at 0.073. Jones was charged with DUI and resigned his position before an internal administrative investigation could be completed. During a Garrity interview with Post, Jones admitted he was impaired, and he waived his right to a hearing. Any questions?
What was the outcome of the charges?
The criminal case is still pending. The pretrial was on September 30th, 2019. Do you know what the current date is? It's still pending.
And the prior one in 2017, was there a conviction for DUI?
I believe there was a conviction. I do not recall right offhand. I know that he came before the council in December of 2017. He received a 1-year suspension at that time.
Thank you.
We have a motion?
Make a substitute motion? Or
A substitute motion.
Substitute, I guess it'd be a motion?
A motion.
All right. Being some facts that in 2017 he was convicted of a DUI or brought before council. It's only 2 years later. He's up for another one. I recommend with category D, we go to the full extent, which looking at the matrix, it'd be a 2.5 year extension. It's 2.5 years.
We have a motion for a 2.5 year suspension, category D.
Yeah.
I have a second from Colonel Rappich. Any further discussion? Seeing none, I'll call for the vote. Those in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Thank you.